Okay, so something really exciting is about to happen. We're going to take Papau and try to get it into the hole. We drove over it yesterday at mid-tide and it was about 1.5 meters deep, which is, you know, we draw 800, so there's no worries there. So we're going to just tow the tender over there now and scout it, and then yeah, get that photo of Papau inside the middle of the lagoon. It's been a bit of a bee in my bonnet. I'll go in the tender, Jess will drive the big boat, and see how we go. Pretty dirty. Okay, so we just pulled up at what looks like one of the entrances, the bit of a gutter here, and yeah, I'm gonna go send the drone up and jump in the tender, and Jess is gonna take care of Papau, and if it's all clear, in we go.
Not nervous at all about driving over Shallow Reef by myself.
There's a radio.
Should be pretty good. Okay, so we were like, we'll drone the entrance. Michael goes, there's no birds around. Instantly, the second the drone's up, the bloody birds are back. I don't know where they hang out, but they must just have like a patch of reef, because there's nothing, there's no landmarks out here. It's unbelievable. You cheeky bugger. The reef, I don't know if you can see it, but that's like the deep side, and then that's the inside rim, so pretty close already. Might actually just back up. Current's pushing me onto the reef.
.2.0. I think we're golden. .3. Yeah, laughing.
He goes. Oh, this feels all kinds of wrong right now. Oh, this feels so wrong. Oh wow, this is crazy. 1.9. Just letting the engines idle over. We're in! We're in! That is crazy. Look at that. That just feels so wrong doing that.
Wait.
Oh, there's that big bommy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. You know, there's some real nice looking bommies out there.
Yeah, right.
You can see so much more being higher up than in the tender. Need to get a little tuna tower for the tender so we can find the spots.
We're in. We're in. There we go.
Doing it for the gram, man. So worth it for this photo. It's priceless. Like, who knows if we'll ever get the chance to come back out here again. It took us like 3 months to get the weather to come here and be in the right place at the right time. So, I mean, chances of getting back out here, pretty slim. But having a photo like this makes it just so memorable. Definitely one for the wall one day when we own a home or a bigger boat where we can put photos up. But yeah, how amazing is this spot? It's just, yeah, this is absolute paradise. This is why we get stuck at the reef. Like, we had grand plans to go overseas. Like, honestly, we're just so lucky to have this in our backyard. Unreal, unbelievable. All right, we've got the sails up in the lagoon.
Have a go at it. Look at that. That is so good.
Cool. That is awesome. Bloody so cool. I reckon I'm gonna go to the edge and then I'll just tack back. You might have to furl the head sailing though to get around the stays.
Should be sweet. It's 1.5 meters is the shallowest. Oh well, mission accomplished. That is going to be the best photo. Something that we will cherish for a long time. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Next episode on Sailing Papau.
Mind is blown. This is mental.
Heaven on earth. Literally heaven on earth.
A huge thanks to our patrons for your ongoing support. If you'd like to support our channel in another way, be sure to check out our merch online at sailingpapau.com.